Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another Funday Sunday watch face review. And today is Easter, so happy Easter Sunday. Go out, enjoy the Easter egg hunt, and have fun. Enjoy family, friends, eat well. And also, we do have a giveaway. PW is definitely doing this thing, so I have a watch face to give away for anybody from Canada, and I have a watch face for the US. So with that being said, don't forget, comment for an opportunity to win. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out by PW. PW is definitely really doing his thing with these watch faces. He always raising the bar. I'm loving the look of this watch face, and I'm also loving the design and the layout. Now the name of the watch face is called PW57 Gear Sport. In the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get everything that's most important. That's digital time, and you're going to get your step status info. When the watch face is on, this watch face is absolutely beautiful in design. I'm loving the layout. I'm loving what PW is bringing to the table with these watch faces. Now, dead center, you're going to get digital time. You're also going to go up and get your heart rate. You're going to get your step status info. I like the layout of the shortcuts right over here to the side. So you're going to be able to get your music player, go into your settings. Also, it's interactive. So if I need to go in and check out the weather for today, for the Easter egg hunt, I can do that with this. I come down, I get info on calories burned, miles walked or ran. I also get what day of the week it is. And I'm loving this design over here. So you get your battery info and your step status info. I'm telling you, PW did his thing with his watch face. So if I double tap right here, I can change the color and the look of this watch face. So I thought he did real good. You get several colors in all. Just cycle through till you find the one that suits you. Again, I thought PW got down with this watch face. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this. And with that, happy Easter. So enjoy the rest of your Funday Sunday, and I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.